English lesson. Listen to our daily routine.
What time do you get up?
I get up at 6:30. What do you do after you get up?
I brush my hair, I brush my teeth, and I get dressed. What time do you leave home?
I go to school at 7 o'clock. What do you get to school?
My mom drives me to school. What time do the lessons start and what time do they finish?
The lessons start at 7:45 and finish at 12:20. Where do you have lunch?
I have lunch at the school canteen. What do you do after lunch?
I go rollerblading with my best friend Adele, go to music school, and I do my homework. What time do you have dinner?
I have dinner at about 7 o'clock. What do you do after dinner?
I have a shower, brush my teeth, put on my PJs, and watch TV. What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 9:30. What do you do before you fall asleep?
I read books or watch TV. What time do you fall asleep?
I fall asleep at 9:30.